Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Right now I'm almost at Harvey's job because we're gonna switch cars for the day. He registered for a show. I did it. I thought it was gonna work, but so like I was gonna say, he registered to the show. Most of the members registered to the show. So we're switching cars. He's gonna use my car because he's at work, and I'm gonna use his car to take it to the show. So I'll see you there. All right. I left it open. I'm gonna miss my car for a second. I almost scratched it too. And here you go, bro.
Thank you. Thank you. Yo, I'll see you at 5.
Okay. You're not scared that I'm using your car?
Bro, I fucking trust. Oh, I trust you. I trust you.
Damn.
But yeah, see you at 5. As you see,
working.
it is what it is on Sunday.
All right.
I got my super hat today, so this is a thumbnail hat.
All right, then I'll see you at 5 because I gotta go because I'm gonna be late.
Waiting for you.
All right. Then it's pretty dope. I think almost anybody will be so hyped about driving this car for the day. So look at the new banner. Make sure to cop the new banner. And damn, this cockpit is really nice. Really different from my car, obviously, but this is really nice. Yo, Harvey, I love your car, bro. This is so dope. Alright, so we're meeting up at a racetrack that it's by the show. It's probably like 15 minutes away, and we're gonna have a big lineup today, and hopefully they park all of us together. But we're gonna have let me see, I think it's like 7 to 10 cars. I'm not sure the correct number, but it should be around there easy. So I can't wait to see all the cars there, take some pictures, and send it out to you guys on Instagram. Remember to subscribe to the channel as well. Also, the Instagram is quality_flow. It's gonna be right there. So, what else? What can I tell you? Oh, we got new stickers, but I'm driving right now, and they're on the passenger seat. But I'm trying to be really cautious with Harvey's car. But this is gonna be really dope. Today is gonna be really nice, and it's gonna be good content for you guys. So I'll see you at the racetrack. I forgot to take a video of the cars and everything like that, but I'll show you guys once we get to the spot, so the venue. But we're rolling pretty deep. It's like 10 of us, 10 cars, so it's pretty nice. All right, guys. Well, we made it right here to the show. This is the crew. We brought some supporters with us as well. Yo, it's good. We brought up to that Lexus right there. All that lineup.